I've struggled with confidence probably my whole life. And only recently I've been able to become a little more confident, I think, and move forward with my life and move toward my goals while being in the present moment. I have to say that this drawing technique, this meditation technique, has really established a stronger connection with my intuition, which has strengthened my confidence. And it basically allowed me to accept that whatever path I choose is the right one because it's leading me toward my goals and my dreams. And the acceptance that comes with that of not knowing exactly where I'm headed or what the destination will be. But again, just to be in the moment and enjoy the process, enjoy the journey. The other part of it, I think, is the realization and the acceptance of understanding that there is no destination. I haven't reached my main destination, my quote unquote destination, or what I used to see as an end goal or an end point. But through the process of strengthening my intuition and my confidence as a result, I have begun to accept and understand that my goal, my destination, was actually, or is actually, just another waypoint along my journey. And this path that I'm on is really limitless. I'm going to speak at times generally about confidence, and I'm speaking about it as if I know what confidence is. And maybe I know to a certain extent. I think I can spot or sense a confident person when I see them and, am able to get to know them or get to know their personality traits, mannerisms. Um, Having said that, I still struggle with confidence and probably will for many more years to come. But I think the key is to, for me and maybe for you too, the key is to just take little steps, little bits of improvement here and there, which will compound over time. When we talk about confidence, I think it's easy to get into this mindset of sort of confident people being self-centered or arrogant. But I don't look at it that way. There's a kind of a confidence where you focus on knowing yourself. And through that process, I think automatically you have a heightened sensitivity of others. And so through knowing yourself, you begin to know others. I think this is connected to becoming more compassionate and empathetic. And so maybe we can make that connection of increased confidence leading to increased compassion and empathy. The other thing I believe that confidence does that maybe people don't talk about as much is that I think confident people understand and have a greater sense that time is limited, that time is a non-renewable resource. And this maybe influences their desire to always be learning and always having new experiences, being in the present moment, and leaning into forward momentum, having a positive attitude and outlook on life. I think this is all connected to a intuitive understanding that our time is short and very limited. So it's important to make the most of our time and to do it in a smart way, to work smarter, and of course to work hard when you are in that chapter of your life. But hopefully to sort of transition into working smarter. And actually that strategy can be something that you employ early on in your journey. This drawing-based meditation technique that I'm referring to as draw a line, change your life, has definitely strengthened my connection with my intuition, and it has improved my confidence. While I still struggle with confidence, I have to say that the other things that it helps with in terms of decisiveness and enhancing creativity, I feel that I've been making more progress with those aspects. And as a result, because everything is interconnected, it's sort of automatically strengthened and improved my confidence. So strengthening one thing will strengthen the other two. With daily practice, not only of this drawing-based technique, this drawing-based meditation, as well as all of the other daily routines and habits that I have acquired over the past 2 years, all of the healthy practices that have been leading me to a more personally fulfilled life. I think my confidence will definitely continue to get stronger over time. Thanks a lot for watching this series where I've been doing the technique in real time while expressing some thoughts about confidence, creativity, and decisiveness. All three things are aspects of what can happen and how you can improve if you strengthen your intuition, which is a result of this drawing technique. So I look forward to next time, and take care until then.